Today I'm fighting against a
Hello.
helpless crystal statue. Oh, never mind, it's not helpless.
Hello, everyone.
Yo, hey, can you Google me real quick if crystallians can be parried?
Google what?
If crystallian can be parried.
Can
Tiger, yeah.
Crystallian be parried Elden Ring? Crystallian.
Oh, I got his ass. Katana OP.
Oh, are you good? Yes, Crystallian's enemy can be parried in Elden Ring.
Yeah,
there
but
you
what
go.
kind of, like, there's like multiple kind of enemies. Wait.
I don't know. I don't understand in TS.
Yeah, but it's like there's like multiple weapons and you can't parry all weapons. Can you parry?
Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to this awesome debugging stream. We're gonna do all of these tasks across this stream. I'm gonna set up my chat on the side like this, and I'm gonna pop out my buddy's stream so that I can see it on the side. This is some insane stream strats right here.
Yo, chest, this is straight up fire. This is straight up.
Okay. So yesterday I fixed like a ton of issues, but more keep coming out of nowhere, so I gotta fix those too. I'm gonna put on some Minecraft OST in the background.
I don't think it's from nothing. I think it's from your code not working.
Yeah, I have a skill issue.
Yeah, definitely. Wait, I'm gonna get myself like, I'm gonna see what this to eat. Let's see.
Okay, now there's a major issue that was found that a run is only tracked after the first death. And so I need to fix that.
Bro, I'm doing Duolingo.
I probably need to do that too. I'm gonna forget.
Mujeres. Los hombres. It's the men.
Okay.
Men is hombres. Hannah and I are also mothers. We are sons.
I need to like do this right at the start, right? This might fix it. Cause
we are men. We
start game.
I'm gaming. Perfect lesson. Miguel y yo siempre estudiamos en la biblioteca.
What do you say?
We don't
Can you
speak Portuguese. Amanda y yo hablamos con la maestra.
What?
Amanda and I speak with the teacher.
Insane.
Nosotros no somos los jefes. We are not the bosses.
Okay, let's test if this fixed the issue. I'm gonna put a start position right here. What happened to my pause menu? Hello? What?
I'm not impossible.
Like, I play, I die, my console says hi, speed hack detected. What do you mean? I am no speed hacker. Maybe that's the reason. Maybe the text speed hack. When I enter the level. Like, now I'm gonna start the game. Boom. Yeah, speed hack detected. Why is that? That is why my game explodes.
Okay, I'm gonna get myself some burgers.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, Joby.
How does it feel to create the best mod in GD? Scary, because I get a million questions and bugs reported, and I need to fix them all and make everyone happy and make right changes that everyone is happy with, that will not hate me for forever and ever. So yeah. That's how it feels. I'm gonna just do full did run fully starts with false. Now I just need to make it skip the first time it tries to detect the speed hack. So this and mfields start did run fully start else start equals true. Actually, I'm gonna just do this. Oh wait, no, that's bad. I'm gonna do this. And I should like name this speed hack run start blocker. This might fix it. Bam 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 bam. Okay, let's go to the level. And my console, when I start, it still says speed hack detected. And I die. And it doesn't track my run. If I start from 0, does this not happen? Yeah, it does not happen. Okay. So this is definitely the issue. I just need to figure out how to fix it. I thought just making it skip the first ever speed hack detection would work, but I guess it didn't. Huh. Time elapsed. How many times does it detect the speed hack? I'm curious. Does it just fully think you're speed hacking? For some reason. It just runs once. And if I remove this condition entirely and just have it be like this, da, 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 da. It runs speed hack detected once. So that should have fixed it, but it doesn't for some reason. I'm gonna just do a speed hack check happening. Like this. Just to see how many times this runs. Because I'm not sure. I haven't touched this code in a while. Just some silly debugging. Boom. Damn. So yeah, this is not a good fix at all. This is bad. I just need to figure out why it thinks we're speed hacking and when this happens. Does it happen the frame the game starts? That's what I'm curious about. Like, log info frame just curious. Game start. Game started. Because I think it happens due to this function somehow. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so game started runs, and then the next frame it detects speed hack for some reason. So yeah, I can just have like bool did game start this frame and have this, turn this boolean on. And then make this false, like this. And it should be good, hopefully. Game started. Okay. And if I die and leave, my def gets tracked. If I start and leave, my def gets tracked. Okay. That fixed it. Awesome. Now I can get all of this removed. And also mark this as complete. One bug is fixed. Awesome. Deleting save file while inside of a level causes metadata corrupted. Now, this issue is pretty silly. If I were to go into some random recent tab level and play, and do some stuff, my defs get tracked. But if I am inside of the level currently and I delete my file, this works just fine. This works just fine. But if I'm here and I delete the file and then exit the level, I get this error. Now I need to fix this. Let's do that. I also want to check something real quick. I want to see how it works with the quick save. So I'm gonna pick a new level that I can corrupt and go into the options and turn on quick save and play, and then it gets instantly tracked. Yes, very good. And if I delete the save and die, okay. Interesting. Very, very interesting. What happens when I enter the level? When I enter the level, I create the metadata if it is non-existent. Maybe I should do all of this if should do all of this whenever I save data. just to make sure it actually saves. Probably. But that would make saving data even heavier than it is right now. Also, I just remembered about an issue I forgot to add here, which is deleting data doesn't delete playtime. This is a thing I need to also fix. I'm trying to think of the best way to fix this, but I'm really unsure. I just need to like check what happens to the actual file when the save breaks, I guess. Like if I go here, it opens this, and this is just empty. Why is it empty? Interesting. Where is the save code? Log death. Save checkpoint from 0. Yes. What is making the metadata file get recreated, reincarnated for absolutely no reason? Dun 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 dun. What does the delete file do? Does it delete the metadata file as well? Like, if I go here and click delete, it will fix the issue, of course. But if I go to the save location of this and I click delete file, this entire file doesn't exist anymore. Uh-huh. And if I go inside, I die. Open the folder again. Right, this is the level ID. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna delete the file. File deleted, right? I restart, die. Death is supposed to be saved. Now, this file should exist. Yes, it does. But it exists with an empty metadata. So, something happens when I save. It creates an empty file there. But what? Log death. This creates the general file. Applies changes on it. Get current session. Get current session gets the metadata. Get metadata. But getting the metadata should return nothing because it doesn't exist anymore. Okay, so I got one mention of metadata here. Need to find all of them. All of the mentions. Set general and set session. Set session should go here and create if needed. This creates the metadata file. I see. Huh. Okay. When does this run? Created stuff. Let's go to a new level. This runs create stuff every time. If I die here, it still runs create stuff. Interesting. Why does it do that? Create file should only create the file if it doesn't exist. Okay. I should make this create the file with actual JSON data. So, like, I need to have what is create file if needed? Oh yeah, I see. JSON to fill. Right? I can do that, right? I think. And then this dot dump. What does dump do? Dumps the JSON value to a string with a given indentation. Mat JSON no indentation as file dot. Can I write text into this? Somehow? Add text to set text of file using auth stream. Content. So it's like this, right? Okay. And now I can go level metadata does this just work? General data. Right? I think. Session. And that's it, right? This in theory should fix it, I think. Stats magic create file pick. To fill. Maybe I should have this as an optional so I don't have to actually add JSON data in. Like this. And I do this only if dot has value. And then here this dot value dot dump. And now this std null opt. I hope this works. Da, 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 da. No defs saved. No defs found. Okay. And if I delete it? Okay. This is good. This is a good start. Now Yeah, I cannot do that. I'm gonna delete the save for this. Delete again. And then die. And then open the menu. It actually fixed it, I think. Let's see. If I have a quick save off and I am to delete the file and open this. Hello? Delete. Die once, die twice. Oh, I see what's happening here. Yeah, this makes sense. I delete and then exit. I delete and exit. Yeah, I don't know if I like this. It works just fine with quick save on, I think. I hope. Why is this not being deleted? Hello? There's a file. I delete this file. It's no longer here. I exit the level and it still has the data. Why does this happen? If I do it like that, it's fine. If I die, delete the save, then it still is saving it for some reason. Why does this happen? I might need to have like a global event for this that clears whatever I have saved in here in these two arrays. So I'm gonna go check the geode documentation because I haven't done this in a while. Events. Is this up to date? No, it's not. Okay. Usage migration. So instead of doing this, I do this. So I will have a say deletion event. Like this, I think that's how this works. And then I have to go to delete. Actually, I'm gonna define this event in types or something so that everyone has it, just in case. And then go to link options, or like, no, save options, and delete DT layer delete save. And then here I can go this send, right? I think this is good. Usage. Yeah, I gotta create this. Like this, right? Yeah, okay. Cool. Awesome. And then, in DT layer, I can actually, oh, not DT layer, in play layer, I can listen to this event. How do we listen? Like this. Okay. Let's just copy this, I guess. And then put it in here. And delete this. And now I also need to save this handle, right? I need to take the listener handle, save delete handle, and I need to keep it like this. And now it's bound to wait, M fields. I always forget about this. And now, whenever this happens, I wanna do this dot clear. Again, M fields, oh my god. Clear. And this clear as well. And I need to reference itself. Alright. And now I'm gonna also log info deleted save, just to make sure it works, because I don't know if this event would actually be called. Oh wow. Awesome. I'm gonna just delete the file. Deleted save. Okay, this was called. Awesome. Okay. Now this should fix the issue, right? If I don't have quick save on and I go in and I delete and I exit, no, it still didn't fix it. Why did you not fix the issue? What do I do when I exit the level? On exit, I log everything. I already took care of that. Save playtime. I should also reset this, probably. So like, oh, I think I know what's wrong. Okay, I just need to take this and also wait, no. This is an auto backup. Where was I looking just a second ago? I had an idea, but I forgot what it was. Save playtime. Session. Get current session. Safe check current from 0. Current level. Get general data. Yeah, I should reset all the time passed as well. All of these should be set to playtime pair to a brand new playtime pair so that they are fully reset. What else do I need to reset when this happens? This is when you press R, it counts it up based on GD, even if you don't and off, it doesn't count it on data. Yeah, I think yeah. Boom. Okay. There's some sort of temporary save I'm saving somewhere here that makes everything break. But I'm not sure what it is or where it is. Stats manager, current from 0. Current from 0. This is what I need to reset. Okay. Equals std null_opt. Please. Or actually, I should make this equal a new one. General data. Okay. Now my save is this, and if I go and delete it and exit, it's fully deleted. Okay, good. If I die and exit, it saves my death here and in my session runs. Saves it. If I go and delete and exit the level, it deletes everything. Good. Now, if I were to have quick save on, and then delete the data and then die, interesting. It doesn't save it to the session anymore. But if I re-enter, then it does save it to the session. Okay, this is an interesting bug. Saved to session, delete, die, session dies. Do I have a current session? Session start date. And this has a... No. Okay. What happens if I also reset the current session? But I need to keep the session start date the same. Maybe I just reset only if this has a value. Dot data equals nothing. Just reset the data. Maybe this will work. Even though I don't think that's really the issue. Delete. Doesn't save it to the session. Okay. I just want to test this without quick save. I do this. I die. I delete the save data. I die a couple more times. And it still doesn't save it to the session. Okay, this is just an issue with everything. Let's see. When I log defs, I get current session. Get current session is if this is null, it should get a session, a valid one. Oh wait, and then set session should create the file. Right? I think that's what's going on here. Like if I look at my thing, my console, while I play the video game, and have quick save on to just test this, delete everything. Logging, yes. If I delete, then it doesn't log. Okay, okay. So that means current session fails somewhere. Current level exists, and so it should technically return whatever this is. Session is not null. At some point, current session becomes a null option. Apparently. This should log error. So log info getting current session like this, and no pointer. Session is null. Or log the session start date std2 string like this. Yo, welcome to the stream and thank you for the follow. Okay. Now everything's tracked. I delete the save. I activate quick save. If I look at the console, getting current session, yes. And then if I were to go and delete the save, when I die, it says getting current session. Yes. And so it doesn't save still. Why does it not save? Because this is not null. If this is error, okay. Maybe when I delete the save file, schedule creation of new session. Maybe that's what I need to do. And this might fix it. Though I am not sure. I hope it will. Okay. Delete everything. Now I die, it saves. I die, it saves. Good, good. I delete the save file. There's nothing. I die. And it saved it with a different session ID. Good. Good. This works. Now, does it work with quick save off as well? Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Okay. And now it's saved the same stuff. Okay, good. I think this works. I think this is good. Awesome. Now this issue is fixed. Boom. Make a clearer difference between the level options and mod options. I've been wanting to do this for a while. It's time to make some sprites. Yeah. I need to figure out how to do this. So, left tracker layer. There's the settings button. Where is this defined? Where are you, bro? Where you at? Settings button. We have the geometry jump options button. Awesome. I'm going to change this. I need I'm thinking of having like, oh wait. I'm thinking of having like a button with a skull and a settings wheel. Like this. This is very lazy, I am sorry. And another button with a difficulty face, like an NA difficulty face or something, to indicate a level. Because one is the mod options, and one is the level options. Like NA face GD. Like this, and just copy this settings wheel, right? Oh my god. There's no transparency, I forgot. So I'm gonna just take this fella, get him out of here. Take, oh my god. Yeah, this is why we don't work in Paint anymore. This fellow, and take this fellow, and just draw the rest of the settings wheel. Like this. Yeah. So this is my plan. I'm gonna do this. But I don't know how to go about doing this, so this is gonna be a little difficult. I first need to take a settings sprite from the actual game. So Colin has this website, right, for like GD sprite sheet splitter. Yes, this thing. Game sheet UHD, and I want to put this right in here. This is not Now, please. Oh, I see. I didn't realize I. Okay, cool. Why can I not? Hello? Okay, I'm gonna just do it like this. Oh, I took the wrong thing. That's why it didn't work earlier. Okay, now it makes sense. Awesome. Now, there's two settings buttons. There's this fellow right here. And there's the green, blue one. Yeah, this one. I might use both of them. One for each type. And let's also... Is there a skull here somewhere that I can take? I could take the NA face from here actually. Where is the NA face? This is the one with the text below it. Is there one without text below it? Like the demon face here. Oh, there we go. Boom. Got it. And I also want a skull, I think. Let's take this game sheet into here. And also continue the music because it decided to stop itself for some reason. This is not all the Geometry Dash objects. This is not what I want. Oh my god. I forgot about this. So many icons. Fire sheet. Yeah, I remember this. Is this the object sheet? Is this skull here? Oh, it is here, yes. Okay, so this is what I want, right? Now where is this skull fellow? This is gonna be a little difficult. Oh, I think I found it. I'm not sure if this is the actual icon I want to use, but it's good enough. There's some interesting objects here. Let's go into Photopea and just take in one of these. Now, the golden one is gonna be the mud settings, I think. So let's just take this beautiful sprite and destroy it completely by just cutting out these settings wheel from here. Now, how do I do this cut? Um, what is this tool? No, I did not want this. Where's the change history? Oh yeah, lasso select. Okay. Like this doesn't copy exactly, you can see. I'm not sure what the best way of going about this is. Is there a sprite of just the settings wheel, the golden one? Without the button in the background? Because there might be. GA Game Sheet 03 UHD. Oh, I don't have the website open anymore. GD Sprite Sheet Splitter. I don't think there is one. Bum bada bum 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 bada 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 bum bada bum bum bum. Bada 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 bum bum. There is probably a sprite of an empty circular button, right? I think there is one. Yes. Oh my god, yes. Best day ever. I can use this. In order to do something like this, where I just lasso this thing. Do something like this. And then I can paint over it with whatever I need. Like this. Nobody will ever notice. That's it, right? Okay. Now I have this guy separated, and I can go like this. Can I like green screen this or something? Green screen photo P. Photopea tutorial. Okay. Because I want to keep these shadows. I guess I can replicate them. I'm gonna keep the original image. Like this. And now, here, I would just go and delete some small bits of green till we have no green left. Maybe I could have had the tolerance be a little bit higher. Like if I Control Z all of these deletions. I can't. Oh my god, bro. This is why we keep the original, right? Okay. This is better, I think. Right? Okay. Now I just need to replicate these shadows. So, drop shadow. I'm gonna have it be like this. And I'm gonna have this in very low opacity so I can see what I'm doing. Right? This is almost exactly it. I think. Cool. I think this is good enough for me. Now I can merge all of these layers and put this in the trash, and I can actually take this settings wheel and move it. And so now I can probably put this in. And have the skull have a stroke, a very subtle stroke. This looks kind of good, I think. I hope. Right? I think this is okay. I'm gonna save the Photoshop file for this. Save as PSD and save this as DT settings button. And export as PNG. Now I need to do the same with this settings wheel. And so I'm gonna take it and put it as a new project here up top. And drag this in like I did before. Now I can use this behind this. Lasso this whole entire thing. This is the most precise lasso select I've ever had to do. Control X, Control V. And then on this little button, I need to delete all the shadows because they're double shadows and it's not good. Just delete all of these. And now I can just merge these two together. Merge layers. And now I can go here, change this to like 112 or something. Oh wait, I'm gonna copy the original first. Very important. Boom. It's kind of lazy, but sure works. And now for the shadow, I might be able to just copy the effects off of this, like layer style copy, and this layer style paste. Good. Now they are separated. Yay. And I can take the NA face and put it on here. Just place it right here. Boom. And make this a lot smaller. Yeah, this is good. Maybe this should also have a drop shadow, like this. Can I copy just the drop shadow? Somehow? I don't know. Can I just go in here and just... No. Control C. I think this is neat. Now I'm gonna save this as a PSD as well. TT level options button, and export this as PNG. Okay. Awesome. We have 2 new buttons. Brand new buttons. This is pretty cool. .psd. Okay, cool. Taking these 2, putting them into the mod. Right now. Okay. Resources. Time to reconfigure the mod. And not attempts. Okay. Okay. Now I can go to the settings button and change it to be the new def tracker mod settings, and on level specific options button, instead of this button, we'll make it be this button. Let's see how we are looking. These feel a little small, right? Like this is controlled by this. Why is this button smaller than this button? I don't completely understand. What am I doing? Wait. I mean, this is the size of the button, but these two buttons actually the same size? Yeah, they are, but it's just an illusion that they're not for some reason. Or something like that. I don't know. It's just really weird to me. This might be a little smaller. Okay. This might be good enough. Bottom left menu. Content size. Where's the bottom right menu? Okay, I made this a little bit larger. I think this is neat. Yep. Good. Very good. Boom. That is done. Now... let's check on this issue. This is a very weird issue that was reported to me yesterday. I've been told that some reason spamming time warps makes the end feel quicker. I'm not sure if this is a dev tracker issue really, but it might be. Like, what do I even do on this? Let's see. Play layer. Time warp. Oh. Update time warp. This Why do I not call the actual original function? Like this one. Oh no, not this one, this one. This might fix it, but I'm not sure. There must have been a reason that I've done that specifically that I can't remember right now. Interesting. If I go here, my headphones are on low battery. It's okay though. When I beat the level, this doesn't track for some reason. Like this, the tracker still works on regular levels, right? Like if I go to some random recent tab and die, I have my death tracked. And if I speed hack, it says speed hack detected and doesn't track, which is good. And if I were to add a singular time warp into this level, where's time warp? Time warp. Time warp. Like this. It's still tracked 25. But if I were to hit this, and also turn on speed hack. Speed hack is in fact detected, but if I were to beat this, it does track 100%. For some reason here, it detects speed hack. Why can I not warp? Update time warp. This. When is this called? Is this called after I complete the level? I need to check on this because it might continue running stuff even after I beat the level. And this might cause this to happen. Oh wait, I need to check on this level. Aha. I'm gonna do a very slow speed hack. Uh-huh. So I need to stop checking for new time warps when I beat the level, I think. Complete. Level complete. Like, if has respawned, if I'm not respawned, why can I not type today? What is wrong with me? Okay, if I haven't respawned yet, I just don't update my time warp data. This might get it to work. This did not work, and it also might cause some issues. Why is it sideways? What happened? What is going on here? Like, bruh, what are we doing? Let's get my hand cam back to normal. Thank you. I also need to charge my headphones, so I'm gonna do that. Thank you for telling me, Mr. Vittorio. Let's also check when the time warp change happens relative to the level completion. Level complete. Dun, 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 dun. Is there a function that runs as I hit the end trigger? End. This, right? When I hit the end trigger. Anim to pose. Anim to pose. Anim to pose too, actually. So that I know the difference between them. Runs. I need to pause to runs as the time warp resets to 1, and then time warp is set to a high level again, and then reset to 1 again. Okay, so I know what I need to do. I need to check for this boolean on warp. If this, return. And now it should not detect speed hack when yes, level complete. Speed hack was not detected at all. But if I do speed hack, not detected. Unpause for a second, speed hack detected. Amazing. Okay. And so now, when I normally beat the level, it actually tracks my completion, thankfully. Yes, very good. Awesome. This should be that problem taken care of, I think. I wanna remove all my silly logging. And check this as fixed. Yes, awesome. We have 2 more things to do. Deleting data doesn't delete playtime. Now, someone reported this and suspected it's to do with the playtime integration, and it's very likely is to do with that. So, I'm gonna check real quick. Let's say I have a completely new level and I play it. Awesome level. I have 3 seconds of playtime. And I delete the save file and play again. I have 0 seconds. Very correct. 3 seconds. Now, if I were to reactivate playtime tracker, going to this level. Okay, let's delete the save data. Beat the level. I have 3 seconds of playtime. I delete this, and now I have 6. Okay. This is definitely the reason. Okay. So I somehow need to keep the fact I integrated this level with playtime tracker afterwards, after it's deleted, somehow. The problem is that I'm saving the fact I did the integration within the metadata file, which gets deleted on save file deletion, of course. So I have to keep this information somewhere outside, which feels pretty annoying to do. PT transfer playtime. Oh, Peanut Koga is saying hello. To the stream. Okay. Has gotten data from Playtime Tracker. I need to put this in the global save. And so I'm gonna do that. This is not something I would like to do, but I'm gonna do this anyways. Okay. How are we doing this? Get level was PT transferred. And I need to put in a cd string const reference level key. Oh wait, I need to. This returns a boolean, and this is set level was playtime transferred. I don't know if this is a good name for this function, but it's whatever. I'm gonna put this in here. Oh, and I also need this here anyway, so yeah. Now this is gonna get the PT transfer data. PT transfer data. And this is gonna be a array of strings. And I wanna check there's no for each. I forget that I'm not in C# at the moment. Con auto reference level in. You can see that I haven't coded in C++ for like a bit. If level key equals level Oh, I just realized I had my chat kind of closed at the side. I'm so focused on this. Hi Brad, Brad 2K, Brad 2K, Hera emoji. 7 consecutive streams, oh my god. This is my message. Hi. Hello. If this is true, then I return true. Else, I return false. So consecutive. This is right. Can I save a set? This would be a lot better. If this dot contains this, return true. Playtime transfer data. I need to get the saved value, right? I get this, and then if this dot doesn't contain the level already, or if this contains the level already, then I return, and if this doesn't, then I insert the level and set the value of this to be this. Okay, now I can go into here and do, instead of this, do save, get, and put in the level key for this level, right? Auto level key res, if this is error, return false. Auto level key equals this dot unwrap, and then this is gonna be here, this is gonna be right here. And then I will set level transferred this. Good. This should work. Theoretically. Hopefully. And to be compatible with the older version, I need to stats dot no. What did I have here before? Stats.metadata.hasn't. Okay. So if this is true, then I not only return false, I also set it to be transferred like this. Okay. Now I have 6 seconds of time. If I delete this, it doesn't redo the playtime. Okay. And if I were to have I play this goofy level. Very cool level. 5 seconds, 8 seconds. If I delete this, I have 0 seconds. Amazing. I think this is good. Yeah. fixed. Now, one last thing we need to add is an option that I said I'm gonna add, which disables the mod in practice mode. Lots of people want this for some reason, so I'm adding it. I don't see the reason to need this because this is just going to get you some lost data, but it's whatever, I guess. Okay, let's just add this really quick. This should be under which title? Just functionality, I guess. So I'm gonna add this here at the end of functionality. Disable practice tracking. Practice mode tracking. Disable tracking while playing in practice mode. Equals false by default, because yeah. And then settings, I need a get function for this setting. And now I just need to go into play layer. Destroy player. This is going to do all of this only if save if no settings if I disable practice and practice is practice mode. Return. Wait. Should playtime be tracked in practice mode even though practice mode is disabled? I think so. I don't know. I guess I'm on tracking deaths. Okay, this should work. I think. I need to test this, but should work. Let's go to a new level. This is a pretty tiny level. Let's go into practice mode and play the video game. Everything is tracked accordingly. If I disable practice mode tracking and go and play, still tracked, it seems. It has only tracked my completion, but maybe this is because of Mega Hack. Like if I don't have 0% practice complete, and I beat it in one go, it doesn't track. It does track. Okay, so it does work, but it just has weird compatibility with Mega Hack. Okay. You know the knock request thing, I just wanted to press that button. But what if we collab? What if we collab, Mr. Pino Cool Guy? What? How would that go? You'll cry if we collab? I see. Let's already up the mod version and start writing out a changelog. And let's see everything we fixed. Yes. Fixed a bug where the first run of a after opening a level, when not playing from 0, will not track for no reason. Fixed deleting save data while inside of a level, causing data corruption. Created new sprites for the mod options and level options. Fixed time warp bugs, I think. Fixed deleting data while playtime cur is installed, not deleting the playtime correctly. I deeply apologize. It's okay. Okay. We have got a changelog. Now, let's figure out anything else I can do before I update the mod. Now if I open, boom. I like this changelog screen. I always forget that it's very awesome. Yeah, I think this is good. Let's see. Let's check on the Discord server and see if there are any new bug reports. There's progress on this poll happening. Would it be possible to make the cheat detection allow to the option to detect no clip but not speed hack? I use speed hack to skip the ending of nullscapes in runs. This is valid what he's saying, but I also think allowing the mod to ignore speed hack detection is not good. Like, I don't know how to solve this. I don't think allowing the option for disabling specifically speed hack detection is good and something I should do, but the point you bring is very valid. Peanut saying hi. Adike, what should be done about this? Oh my god. Who are the two people who reacted with this? Steam happy, what? What is going on here? Saws. Why do you delete the message? What? Sure. Peanut Guy is just messing around. Yeah, as you can see. Oh, wait, what? I thought you tried deleting them. No, I didn't. I was just looking at who added to the reaction and and saw there were two people, and I was like, who other than Peanut Cool Guy added a reaction to this already? Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna let these two polls sit by for a few days, just 2 days left, and do whatever with their results whenever they conclude. But I believe that this is enough for this update. There's a pretty major bug fix here, and some other small issues being fixed. Yeah, I think I'm gonna update. The mod. So let's build for all platforms. Another bug fix update. Smiley faces. Now, all I have on my to-do is, oh, I did this, very good. All I have in my to-do is wait for the polls to conclude, make the tutorial video that I've been dreading to make for like a million years, and start working on the next update, which will add decimal percent tracking and the mega hack like labels that people wanted. Oh my god, this is so nice. And I also want to start working on these things at some point. Especially on the donor stuff, I think it would be very nice to add these. Actually, I think I'm gonna change these priorities a little bit. It's not that important. This is not that important. This is very interesting. I don't know how I'm gonna add platformer support. Oh wait, you actually can't see the whole thing because my face cam's hiding it. I just realized that. Wait, I'm gonna just have it like this. Now you can see everything here on the stream. Platformer support is something I've been wanting to add for a very long time, but I don't know how I would go about it at all. I'm gonna put this below the public overall data tracker, whatever. And I'm also add graph UI rework because I dislike the current graph UI greatly. Okay. This is good, this is valid. These two kind of go together, so... What other features do we need in DevTracker? Yellow. Yeah. Maybe, is the build done? Can I, no. This. It's not done yet, but after I publish this release and do the everyone ping, I'm gonna just ask for future suggestions, I guess, because this is the time to ask. If there's any time, this is the time. Now is the time. And I'll also fix this misspell that I did yesterday. Pancakes. Okay. Haptic, how are you doing tonight? I'm doing alright. Fixing bugs. I just finished fixing all of my to-do lists. So I'm releasing another update to the mod right now. W, good luck. Yes. It's almost done building. Got 84 on crystal. Nice. That's pretty good. I don't think I've heard of the level crystal for like a bit. Also, recently my down arrow or up arrow kind of broke off, and I had to move it so that I can play GD again. And so, if I can get this closer, now they're facing each other because I just moved the down arrow up to the where the up arrow should be. Why is it red and evil? I just wanted a different color to indicate that it's the key I usually click, you know? What is wrong with you, Mr. macOS? Chop chop, get to work. Oh my god. Can it be pink and cute? I thought you said pink was gross. You said that yesterday. I'm not much of a keyboard expert, so I don't really know, but I can tell you that it really helped me out and was really nice for me, and the software is really nice and it's just smooth to use. But I can't compare with many other keyboards on the market because I don't have experience with that, of course, but if you want to compare it to other keyboards, I can't do that, but I can tell you that it's very good for whatever I use. So it just works. That's about it. Thank you, Seribot. Thank you, Seribot. Seribot is the best bot. I just have a bot in my chat that bans of other bots. Are you gonna be going for Orbit next? I want to go for Orbit, but I first have to beat Kyoki for an event. I might play it a little bit on stream actually after this update is done. But I also wanna make a Kyoki level review video before actually starting to stream it full time. I mean, I guess that's how I can call it. Which event? It's a Secret Santa event I'm doing with some buddies and some people I know a little bit less, but it's okay. They're all very cool people. And update sent. Boom. Now I'm gonna take this changelog and post it on announcements. A lot of everyone pings recently, but yeah. Sorry for the large amount of pings in the last day, but here's another bug fixes patch. Also, this will probably be one of the last patches before I start working on the next major update, so feel free to suggest anything you can think of for the detail updates. On hashtag feedback. Thank you very much, Peanut, for all the nice reactions. You're taking the space off of everyone's reactions. What are you doing, Peanut? This is not nice. Okay, yeah, there's no going back from this. Gonna go update my dev tracker. Yay! Your dedication for this game is inspiring. I'm very glad that you are inspired. I try my best. Peanut, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna remove some of these reactions. Just some of them, not all of them. Because there's just too much Steam Happy right now. Oh. Accidentally deleted the fire emoji reaction that was just added. Oh. I am very sorry to whoever I deleted the reaction of. Okay, yeah, this is enough Steam Happies. We can live with this quantity of happiness. What does this mean? Are you going for any levels at the moment? Oh my god, I found him. This mischievous fella. I found him. Okay. I think that's about it for bug fixing for today. I have the want to do more, but not much I can do at the very moment. So I'm thinking This is true. What? I guess we're just bound to have Steam Happies on here. One has his mouth closed. This is amazing. Okay, I'm considering whether to I want to go eat and then maybe play Kyoki. So I'm thinking of whether to stop the stream, go eat, and then come back, or to just put a coming back soon screen and go to eat. Question is, do I stop the stream or do I keep it on while a coming back soon screen happens? Geometry Dash, hello. Are you okay, Geometry Dash? Does any level load right now? Temporarily stop. Okie dokie. Oh, what is wrong with Geometry Dash? Am I banned from the servers? Is this over? I don't think anyone would want to wait. Yeah, I don't know. Geez, servers have been slow for me too. Oh. Thank you. I'm getting rusty on this level. I don't like this. I wanna get back on the orbit grind. I need to turn off the Winecraft music. It's still playing in the background. I had a top 10 before. This is not the first top 10 in Israel. Bro, I cannot do the first clicks right now. What am I doing? I haven't played this in too long. Whatever. I just want to do the first part. I think I should play this level like a little more in the background while I play Kyoki. So that I don't get rusty on it. Like, I already have this run to 100, but I just won't be able to do it consistently anymore because I haven't played this in a bit. My goal with this level overall is to do 50 to 100, I think. Yeah, I'm getting stuck playing this now. It's over. It's been so long. Oh my god. Wait. I'm gonna do this part once. Kinda wanna do it. And then I'm gonna go. Yes, I did it. What made you want to jump from Freedom Away to Firework? I just really loved Firework, and I thought it was a really cool level, and so I played it. This dash up is so hard. Yeah, this just falls off. Well, I guess I could have the end key be here at the bottom. It kind of works. Maybe this is better. Like, what is wrong with me? I cannot do that click consistently. I feel like this is like CBF doing evil stuff. Ever since I've started using CBF, everything has gotten harder. This game is just harder with CBF. Like, if I turn off CBF, I want to do this first try. Never mind, I guess. Yeah, but that dash up is so much easier. If I turn on CBF. Okay, I passed it once. Twice, okay. Maybe CBF is not the cause of this inconsistency. is going on with that? Maybe change the stream title? No, I need to go eat something. Cannot go play GD on an empty stomach. But I am having too much fun playing Orbit, so I'm staying, you know? What am I doing? Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna go eat something and then go back to the stream and play Kiyoki because I need to do that. But yeah, thank you all for being here and existing. I'm going to stream again later, so I don't know if I'll raid anybody, but I might do that later on. Thank you, Peanut Cool Guy. I'm gonna send you Peak Bing Bong. And also Steam Happy. Yes. Alright. Goodbye, everybody.